Hi guys, I'm Azamri and I am from AII Siem Reap and I just finished my TOEFL ITP. Right now I'll be unboxing my results. It's right here on my hands. Are you guys ready? I'm really excited. So, okay, ready? You guys take a look. I won't look at it. Okay. Oh my gosh. 623. You guys see that? I'm so happy. I'm super excited and I wasn't expecting it at all. I didn't think I would actually get a C1. In my head, I was hoping for it, but I didn't think that I could achieve it. And right now, I actually got a C1 and I can't wait to show my parents this achievement of mine. I'll tell my dad first because he's really looking forward to see my results, because I told him that I recently took the exam and he said that he knows that I will do good. And I was doubting myself. So I'll just go up to him and said, Dad, I actually did well. For the TOEFL ITP, I actually took the preparation course that is available in AII and it helped me a lot. And not just that, I believe that if you use English as a daily basis, whether if you're talking, watching movies, or reading, it can really help with your English abilities and give you better results. For me, what I find really good is that 30 minutes before the TOEFL ITP, I went through stuff that I struggle with, especially in structure and written expression, like complicated grammar and things that I kind of struggle with or unsure about. I went through my notes because when I study, I usually take down notes and put tabs on things that I most struggle with or tend to forget. So when it is time or before I have to take the TOEFL ITP, it is easy for me to navigate and find what I need to revise. What really motivated me is that my parents, my dad, he kept on telling me how beneficial it will be for me and my future. And not just that, I surround myself with a lot of English speaking people, so I look up to them, and whenever I hear them speak and talk, I tend to want to be like them because I find it really cool and amazing to be bilingual. One recommendation that I would like to give you guys if you are striving for a C1 is that always attend your classes. Do not underestimate it at all, because even though your English is really good and you can communicate well, there are definitely important tips that your teacher will give you and that will help you throughout your examination. So one of my biggest goals with my English would be studying abroad, because I believe that I have the potential to achieve something very big with my ability to speak English, and maybe if I could, I can maybe get a better job and a better career in the future. So one of the biggest things that I learned from AII is actually public speaking, and if I have to tell you guys, my speaking ability has improved a lot. My confidence is way higher than before and I don't really get as nervous as I was when I first started AII. I'd like to tell myself that you did a good job and your hard work definitely has paid off. And you should be really proud of yourself because you did good. And I know that you are very nervous about this and you have prepared so much. And guess what? You did it. You achieved what you really wanted.